There we go. Oh yeah, there it is. That feels really good on my spine.
So I just lay back here?
Yeah.
Honestly, it's really nice. At first I was like, oh, this kind of feels different, but a good different.
Oh wow. Not even joking right now. Definitely use this at my desk.
It's definitely improved my posture.
And I really like how there's like different versions, like these ones are bigger to really like get in there. And I didn't even notice that there's like different ones. So like I felt like with sitting, like the setting was really good because it helps really just like give you that support.
Oop, I got a little crack there. That was nice.
So just take it off here. Just take it off. And just lay on it? Definitely stretching me out.
I'm assuming this goes here.
That is.
Okay.
Ooh.
Definitely something that I would try out in my box.
I say if you need to stretch out your back, genuinely, it's fantastic.